Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today I will tell you about the introduction to the oceans in world. First I tell you about the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the basic characteristic of ocean, understand the diverse ecosystem within oceans, recognize its importance to the global ecosystem. First, I tell you about the characteristic of ocean. Oceans covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface and contains salt water. Oceans vary in depth from shallow coastal areas to deep trenches. Oceans play a vital role in regulating global climate by absorbing and redistributing solar radiation through ocean currents. How many world oceans? There are 5. First one is Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Ocean ecosystem. Ocean ecosystems encompasses a wide range of environments from sunlight, coral reefs near coastlines to the deep sea habitat of the abyssal zone. Each ecosystem supports diverse marine life adapted to specific conditions such as temperature, light availability, and nutrient levels. Importance of oceans. They involved in climate regulation. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing and redistributing solar energy. They moderate temperature extremes on land and influence global weather patterns. Oxygen production. Oceans are the largest source of oxygen on Earth, producing over half of the oxygen we breathe. Photosynthesis by marine plants like phytoplankton, biodiversity and food security. Ocean supports a diverse array of marine life, from microscopic plankton to large mammals like whales. They provide food and livelihoods for millions of people through fisheries and aquaculture. Thanks for listening. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching my video.